So in this video, we'll be finding the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So let's say we have a matrix which has A, B, C, D elements. The formula for the inverse is on the right side, where it says that it is 1 over A times D minus B times C, and then you times the matrix of D minus B minus C and A. So let's do some examples and this will be more clear for you. So let's take an example of this here. So the A matrix is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and the inverse would be equal to 1 over A times D. So A is this element, let me highlight it, and D is this element here. So we need to times both of them. So it will be 4 minus B, which is 2 here, times C, which is 3 here. So that's going to be equal to 6. And then now again you open the matrix, and D here is 4 minus B, which is going to be minus 2 here, and then minus C, which is minus 3, and A is 1 here. So let's simplify the fraction first. So it's going to be 1 over negative 1 over 2 times 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1. So now what we just have to simplify here is we have to times this by each of the element in the matrix. So now the final matrix will be negative half times 4 is negative 2, negative half times negative 2 is 1 here, negative half times negative 3 is going to be 1.5. You can also write as 3 over 2. Actually, yeah, that will be better. And then negative half times 1 is negative half, and this is the final answer. So let's take another example here. Another property that you have to know is that matrix, let's say A, times the inverse matrix is equal to the identity matrix. So let's say if it's a 2 by 2, then it will be identity 2, and by identity matrix I mean a matrix with the diagonal of all ones here. So this is identity 2. Identity 3 will be 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is identity 3 here, and so on. So you can see that these are the identities. So here we have another matrix B, which is 9 6 3 1. So let's use the same formula again. So 1 over A, which is 9, times 1 minus B, 6 times 3, and then we write D, which is 1, minus B, which is minus 6, minus C, which is 3, minus 3, and then the last thing here is A. So you can notice that we are just switching A and D. So a simpler way to remember this is we're switching A and D, and we are reversing the signs of C and B. So that's it, and this is also really easy to remember. You cross multiplying and then minusing B times C, and now you just simplify and you will get the answer as 1 over 9 minus 18 is minus 9, and then open brackets 1 minus 6 minus 3 and 9 here, and now it will be dividing each of the elements in the matrix by negative 1 over negative 9. So you can also leave it like this, or you can go one more step ahead and convert it into the final answer, which is 1 over 9. Here's going to be 6 over 9, which is 2 over 9, 2 over 3, and here's 1 over 3. Here's just going to be minus 1. So let me just rewrite this one here. So 2 over 3. So this is the final answer, and this is really simple. Now there is a method on the calculator which instantly gives you the answer for the inverse. So I'll be making a YouTube short video for that, so stay tuned for that also. So in 1 second you can just find the inverse, and that helps you recheck the answer if you made any silly mistakes, or if it's an MCQ question. So you can just directly find the answer.